Now, a lot of people have aspirations to be whatever, right? I inspire to be able to do my hair. I inspire to do a full knotless 25 inch. That's what I inspire. I inspire to do a full sew-in. Wigs, I'm a pause because I don't like that discoloration that I be seeing that people wear wigs. But I inspire to go to the beauty supply store, buy my hair and my whatever else that's needed. Look, I couldn't even tell you what's needed. To come home and know I'm about to take off. You know how they be on lives and stuff and they be, I started as, I inspire. Because that's all you getting from me. Maybe a little, I'll wear my hair down. You'll get a little straight look that only lasts for about 2 days. You can get a little curly look, 3 tops. But that's it. That's all I got for y'all. Ponytails. I'm trying. And paying $400 for some braids. But I tried to braid my individual hair, right? And that went real good. But it could have been cleaner. But it was cute for the most part, right? And I had the little beads on there. And my hair is a little longer now. So I really want to try it over again without... But I really want to know how to feed in the braid. Make sure it's neat. The size of the braid is the same. And I know y'all like, it's YouTube out there, it's YouTube. I'm gonna get to it.